What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. I just want to do a quick cash out on the site Prize Rebel. The link will be in the description. You see here, I have $12.91 in my account. I'm actually a gold member, so that means my payments will be processed instantly. Just a quick overview of what I'm doing in the site. Your surveys, I'm doing those. Samplicious, I'm doing tap, and I'm doing peanut labs over here. Those are the four things that I really focus on when I come on this site. Just to show you your surveys. You can get 77 cents for each one, but they actually have more that will actually pay. Click on that here and show you real quick. Look, 77 cents for each one, but then they have other ones right here that you can do. Look, 8 minutes, 64 cents. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes, 43 cents. That's probably not worth the time, so I wouldn't do that. But you just scroll down, you'll see more. You know what I'm saying? Another 8 minutes, 51 points. So, I mean, that's how you can get your balance going up quicker, just going through and doing the ones that are under your daily survey. Okay. Then you go back over to SAMP. SAMP, these surveys, I really like them because they're not really difficult to qualify for. You see here, Samplicious daily surveys, 90 cents a pop. You can get $1.10 for the ones that are up to 50 minutes. And, you know, going through, go back to Peanut Labs. You'll see all the surveys that pop up here. Once it finishes loading, you'll get like 10 at a time, and they continue to reload throughout the day. So that's just something to stay in tune with. And then also I do tap research, and these other ones, like gold surveys, those are basically like Sample Cube. You know, those are good. I think they pay like 80 cents, I believe. But I mean, there's a lot here. And then another way I really get, money faster, because I know a lot of people don't like surveys and they don't believe that surveys pay a lot of money, which is kind of, ridiculous, because those are the same people that don't really want to put in the work to make the money. You got to do some offers. You know what I'm saying? You go to AdGate, they have offers in there, Offer Turo, Reverse, Revenue Universe, Radio One. Offers really make your balance go up faster because there's very little work involved in that. A lot of times it's just confirming your email, signing up, confirm your email, and just going through and just doing offers like that. Sometimes it's signing up for another site to make money with. So you just kind of have to read what the offer is talking about. I like to go through on this site and really look at each offer and see if it's actually worth my time. Sometimes they'll have offers on there where they say, okay, sign up and pay $8 or something like that. I stay away from those where you have to really pay. But if you want to, if it's something that you really want, I mean, of course, do it. But if it's something that you don't want, you truly want the points, then I wouldn't recommend paying for anything. But a lot of the offers they have on here, like, 90% of the offers are free. So, just kind of pay attention to that. I say, like, you can go into Offer Turo, AdGate. AdGate is probably the one that has the best offers, and, a lot of new ones. Just to show you things here, you can order them by easiest. A lot of times the easiest will be the lowest paying ones, but, just so you can see how to get started on this, stuff like this. You see here the offers. These are a lot of coupons. They look 2 cents each. Look, sign up for Betty Crocker. Look, click on the banner, submit your email. You must be 21 years old. You get 16 points. That easy. You know what I'm saying? You have load more. It's little things like that to add up. You know what I'm saying? Again, look here. USA poll Trump. You know what I'm saying? Enter your email address and click on the link in the and confirm your email. That's all you got to do, basically. 12 points. So you do basically those two, you got 28 cents. And that's less than a minute of work. You know what I'm saying? You see here, sign up here, valid information, 32 cents. That's what I'm talking about when it comes to the offers. You don't have, I'm not saying do offers that you have to pay for, but offers like that, where you just basically sign up and confirm your email, you got to go through and do that. That's how I'm able to get this $12.91. Like I said, they pop up all the time. So I'm about to go through and do all of those offers that I just showed you. Just sign up. Just that simple. So in addition to doing the surveys that I showed you, you do offers. Of course, you can go over here to earn. They have videos, let your videos play in the background. You can choose these videos here, which is basically like the S'mores TV and the Hideout TV. And you can do the video loyalty, which is kind of a partner with Earn Honey. And you make money like that. Just have those videos running in a separate tab in the background so you continue to make money. That's how I'm able to do this. And I'm actually going to do cash out here. You see I had $12.91. I'm going to go over to rewards. See what they have for me. I'm gonna cash out. I'm just gonna cash out $10. I'm not really, hurting for money, so I'm fine with that. Go down here to PayPal. I'll go over here to $10 PayPal. Just click on it. They know what I want. It's not that difficult. Claim this item. Yes. Are you sure you want to claim this prize? Okay. And bam. Just like that. You'll wait for the page to refresh. You'll see here, close pop-up. Now this is a site that I don't really cash out on as often as I should, because like I'm showing you, I have so many different sites. So it's kind of hard for me to really cash out on this site. I kind of been slacking on it. But, you know, recently I just became a gold member. So that's kind of, you know, motivate me to use the site even more, because there are perks in being a gold member. Like your prizes are processed instantly, and then you get a monthly bonus, you know, things like that. So I'm going to get, you know, really get more in tune with this site. But, you know, I'm cashing out every single day with at least 3 different sites, at the very least 3 different sites. Sometimes I'm cashing out on 12, just depending on, you know, what the account balance is and what the minimum cash out is. So I'm cashing out every day. Today, this is my first cash out that I'm going to do. I got a couple more that I'm going to do. And, you know, that's what it is. I just want to show you guys proof that, you know, Prize Rebel is a legit site. The link will be in the description so you can sign up. Once you sign up, you will be a bronze member. But you have to make so much money with the site, and your levels will go up. First, you'll start it as a bronze, then you'll go to silver, then gold, then platinum, then diamond. Diamond is the highest one you can do. Close this pop-up here. And that's what it comes down to. You know what I'm saying? And back at the home page, let me see here. Going back there, showing you if I can, yeah, I'm trying to do it all in one hand, so it's kind of crazy. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just going here and just doing that, you know, a little bit at a time. I need to get more motivated with this site, because it's kind of difficult to juggle so many sites, but that's a good problem to have when you kind of forget that, okay, you had this site, you have money in there, you should cash out. Like I had this site, I had this $12.91 in my account for probably like 2 weeks now. And, you know, I kind of forgot about it just because I'm so busy, you know, going on these sites, making a little money, kind of waiting for the points to kind of confirm or whatever. Then while I'm waiting for it to confirm, I'm going to another site. So that's why it's kind of difficult for me. That's why it's been a little while since I cashed out. But you see here at $2.91, the minimum you can cash out in this site is $2. $2 with like PayPal and other gift cards. But if you want to do, Amazon and other gift cards. But if you want to do PayPal, you have to have a minimum of $5. I'm past halfway at that point, so I'll be cashing out on that very, very soon. Maybe today if I really put in the time on this particular site. But, you know, I just want to show you guys a quick cash out, show you what I'm doing, my routine with this site that I need to get more motivated on, that I need to do. And I'll do more cash outs videos for y'all so y'all can really see that. Look, you know, you just go through on these sites, you really bang out and make money with it. Very simple. All right, so sign up today. The link is in the description. And remember, every penny counts.